beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they tell.
So, my dear friends, very good evening from Electric Uncle Hetolia की तरफ से. So, as per the need of my some audiences, maybe abroad, is to send message for English also. So today I will tell you about this pixel effect, lighting effect of the pixel. No need for controller, no need for the program coding here and there. If you know little bit about the Arduino programming and coding from Arduino software, you can get so many effects. At least for your house, for decoration, there are a lot of effects are there. You don't need anything to buy. Just buy the pixels. I bought 50 pixel LEDs. Put it in a row. Okay. 5 rows of 10. So I make like that. I will show you practically. And how it works. Beautiful. Just I get the color and the sketch and the code from the Arduino software itself, from the examples. But you need to download a library of Fast LED. Then you can proceed with that. So let us proceed, and again the same thing I used to repeat. Request for the subscribe my channel and share it to the students, so that it should reach to the needy students who are below poverty line and studying hard in hard atmospheres. So we should help them, and your sharing will help a lot to them, not to me. I am providing free education. This is free education platform, and I am trying my level best to provide the code, this, that, free of cost, whatever possible. The projects what I have done, I can send that code. As well as the student below poverty line, I can send them material up to my limitations from my pocket, whatever I can do at this age. So this is the motto of this platform. So gentlemen, let us proceed, and I show you how I made that pixel LED effect using only Arduino Uno and Arduino software. So my dear friend, on this Diwali festival, I just bought these pixels, 50 pixels, and one this sheet, and fix it up. This is the signal wire and the ground wire. This is supply wire, and this pixel WS2811 of 5 volt supply. But I was having a battery of 12 volt, so I give it to from the 12 volt through the regulator on my homemade barebone Atmega 328, Arduino's younger sister. So you can make it on anything, ply. You can fix this 50 LEDs 5x10 row. So, and this is the Arduino. The pin is going at 6 number. One is to ground. And after what I will do, I will take this IC after programming and put it in my barebone Atmega 328 homemade PCB. This is 1 inch by 2 inch only. No need to use Arduino Uno at any project. Just change the IC, and it costs only 200 rupees, that barebone Atmega 328. You can make it at home. Now this was the lighting effect which I put in my balcony. This is demo reel 100. So we can program anything from our Arduino Uno. No need to buy in the market, no need to find here and there. It is in your computer. Open this Arduino sketch, examples, go to fast LED. If it is not there, you just install this fast LED library from the sketch, from the library manager. Just write fast LED and install it. It will appear here in your examples. And in fast LED there are so many effects. You can choose any sketch. So demo reel 100 again I will show you to get it installed, which I installed. So from here you need to check the pin number. It is 3 and LED numbers are 64. So I have 50 LEDs. I will change it only. Nothing to change except LED numbers and the pin number at the top. If you are using pin number 6, make it 6 data pin. It is 3 here. So check the port, it is connected, otherwise it will not upload. Arduino Uno is there. Okay, everything. Fast LED is there in the library. Now we will upload it and we will see the results. So like that, from your Arduino Uno, how you can get the lighting effects different, and there are so many, enough for your home decoration. You will make 4, 5, 6 lighting effects at your home. So make it from here. And to save your Arduino Uno, make this barebone Atmega 328. Just as a whole it costs 200 rupees Indian currency. Now see the effect of this. This is demo reel. Again I uploaded, and this I used on this festival. And different type of this barebone Atmega 328, the small, you can say sister of Arduino Uno, small Arduino Uno. For 200 rupees, put it as all the projects. No need to use this costly Arduino Uno. Just change the IC, buy another one, program it and put it in this barebone Atmega 328 PCB. Some are with the regulator, you can put 12 volt supply. Some are without regulator, you have to give direct 5 volt to that. So one more code we will see now. So I am showing that any program you can select and use it. Whatever you like, effect, keep it that. It is at the bottom alphabetically F, fast LED, it comes little down. While you will be searching, go to alphabetical A, B, C, D. So at F you will find it. Now again same thing. This effect is Fire 2012. So I will put 50. I can change this pin number in Arduino Uno also. Before it was 3, now this 5, change it in Arduino Uno, or otherwise change it here, make it 3. Where it is connected in your Arduino, make it that, or connect it as per this sketch. Again check in tools, comport, Arduino Uno, everything is okay. Now you can upload it. So it is childish game. In your computer, Arduino IDE software, free, you can download. And then this library, you can find it in the manager. So various effects, up to 200 LEDs. If you have 200 LEDs, just change in the sketch 200 LEDs. And go ahead, make a big lighting effect. You see how nice it is, Fire 2012. So what else you need? Why to search in the market? Controllers, lighting controllers, effects, of course they are also useful, but they are based on another software like 2014 LED. This is color palette, third. You see the effect of it also. There is a software also, 2014 edit, from there also, but there you have to use controller. That is not Arduino based. you have to put it in a card, SD card, and then buy a controller. Then you can proceed with that also. So as a hobby, you can go ahead with different things. But the easiest way I find is this one from Arduino Uno. You see how much good effect is this color palette. So make 4, 5 and put it around your home at any festival. Now I uninstall that board. I have kept it in Almira. Next time I will use. This is the bare bone Atmega 328 with voltage regulator. This voltage regulator give 5 volt. From battery it get 12 volt. And others I have provided the pins also. And there is a pin difference. Arduino Uno pin number is different. In Atmega this IC pin number is different. I am making one more video to how to make this. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow I will publish it. There you can check the pin number mapping. That 13 number pin is equal to 19 number pin of this IC. In Arduino Uno, 19 number is connected to 13 number, and the code you will find Arduino Uno pin number. If in the code it is written 5 number, but IC it is 12 number, so you have to connect at 12 number, the signal wire, in this bare bone Atmega 328 PCB. So this is younger sister to Arduino Uno, small Arduino Uno you can say. In all the projects if you will put this Arduino Uno, it will cost you a lot. And as a hobby also, you can make it at home. I make it on 0 PCB. Now I take out the ICC, I put that IC in that bare bone Atmega 328, and it is working fine. And during Diwali festival, all the days, it kept working nicely. So I am showing you the practical things, how you can proceed. And very easy to make. Simplest one is only use one crystal, 16 megahertz, and 2 capacitors of 22 PF each. You see, this is the simplest one. Put one IC block here, always change. Don't put direct IC, first block, then put IC in that block so that you can remove it also. And here 2 crystals, one crystal of 16 megahertz and 2 capacitors. But it has a drawback. See, this is the ready-made PCB I arranged. It doesn't have pins. You have to find out and solder it direct to the block. This is only the drawback. I am designing. My design is being completed. Now I will send it for the manufacturing as a Gerber file. And when I will get it back, anybody can ask me. I will send you free of cost. If you are a hobbyist, you want to enjoy, I will send it. And this is without voltage regulator. So there are 2-3 types you can make. So this is the, you see, put the block like this so that IC you can put easily. This I will show you in that video also. Bare bone Atmega 328, how to make it. And this is glue I put to fix up the soldering works, not to get loose. And there are pins also, see. So same design I am making. One reset button is also there. So I kept all the things carefully. So my dear friends, hope you enjoy it and you learn and you will make it for your home decoration. Just buy that pixel LED, finish. Arduino Uno, if you used to do Arduino Uno programming, coding, learning, starting, or as a beginner, you can make this light. So practice it. Practice makes a man perfect. So gentlemen, again the same request, please subscribe and share it so that it should reach. You will indirectly means you will be helping the needy students by sharing it so that they can get the benefit of it. They can also learn. Because this is my motto of this free education platform. To help the students below poverty line. And whatever, as up to my limitations, I will send material also if possibly. Code I used to send. So many phones, WhatsApp I used to receive. I sent the code. Okay, go ahead, proceed. From Calcutta, from Hyderabad, from Bihar, like this and that. So many places. Odisha, Rajasthan. So many people make that cracker tree, firecracker tree. You watch that video. And I am helping a lot. So, see you in the next video. And hope you will learn and you will make this.